Let's go in and see what's going on today here in TLC world. Come on with us. Life of a contractor. There's always something going on. What's going on with you guys?
Holiday lighting.
Holiday lighting, holiday lighting, holiday lighting. Holiday lighting was busy this year, wasn't it?
Yes. Still getting busy.
Busy this week, and then we'll shift, and then it'll be a lot of drainage, a lot of lawn sprinkler, a lot of outdoor lighting, a lot of garage makeovers, a lot of garage floors. It's kind of boring in here today. Nobody's yelling at me or asking me questions, so they have things under control. All right, we'll talk to you guys soon. And we're out and about. Almost noon, and we're going to do some podcasting coming up with a couple clients. Let's take a look what's going on here. What's going on here, gentlemen?
Not much.
Where'd you get a lockup this morning, or what?
Yeah.
I'm just teasing you. How you doing, Mr. Bill?
Good. Well, it's time for my medication. They didn't want to.
Oh, time for your medication.
Yeah,
Right. A rainy Saturday, but we got to get Christmas hung, so we're going to be out in the rain getting some Christmas lights rehung. Did you find a key, sir?
He's not there.
Not there?
No, sir.
Okay. What we got here? Drainage job going on? Let's take a look. Okay, no, but from there, where does it go? Naturally, which angle would it go? That's where you want to take it. That way, we're saying we're taking the water to the same place, but we're getting it out of there.
If it was built up, it'd naturally go down to the left of the property.
Then that's where you want to take it.
But
So-
it is higher.
Oh, it is?
Than this, yeah. That's the.
Well, it would still work as a pump. If we take it out here, Rudy, if we put collection devices around here, or whatever it is, okay, take it this way. Dig a pit here, Rudy. Go down 5 feet.
Yeah.
5 feet by 5 feet. Okay. The water would go in, and we take it in with a piece of perf.
Yeah.
Take it in with a piece of perf.
There's 139 my bro is taking. So.
Oh, he needs a ladder. Go in the lockbox and get 540 then. It's open now. Caitlin's in there. We'll take a piece of perf like I did in Laurel that time when I did one with the backhoe. Into it, perf. And then when it can't fill anymore, when a heavy rain, it's not going to fill. It's going to fill and come right back out. Then it can come out. Follow me? So that water's going to go into there and then it act like a pump and take it down. But it'd be some work. You know what I mean? Some money. You can use either one, whatever you want to use. What would you rather use?
We already got fake.
Yeah, you can use some of this.
Yes, some of this one is better.
This is 25. This is 50 foot. You just double it.
Double.
Yeah. So this would 50 foot, 25. So that would give you 50 feet. You want to take one more?
Yeah, take one more and see if we
Should be good.
Yeah. You gotta use the old light. You gotta store the already in the back.
What you need?
Okay, and the paper say candy, but I'm put already this one. I don't know. Do you think he like this one or I'm take candy?
I'd use that.
Christmas.
Yeah, that's pretty. Let me go right here to my cat herding job. It's like herding cats with the windows open and the screens out. Now, if you got any sales coming, just don't overpromise them. Just tell them weather permitting, product availability, we can get you done. Basically, what I've just said. Do whatever I can do. Guys, we're finishing up a holiday lighting rehang. Got the wreath up here on the peak. That all in red and white now. Got all soft white up in the roof. Now we're installing some garland and some lights here on his back, on his rear deck, staircase. These steps going up. That looks like nice. Take a look around here. Hey, Jersey. How are you? Doing good? Glad the rain finally slowed down and stopped. Not supposed to rain anymore to like 4 or 5 o'clock. Guys doing good? Guys doing good? Let's go through right up here. Candy cane minis here, some green lights over here coming down. That'll look nice. At nighttime, there's Mr. Rudy up on the roof. Mr. Rudy on the roof, what you up to? No, it's just a ghost. This section wires it from down here, right?
No, Jen.
Yeah.
Right now we got it connected this one. Place the box and go out.
Gotcha. I gotcha. Alrighty, we're gonna head to another project and we'll talk to you again soon. Life of a contractor, never dull. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.